Hey guys, welcome to week 9. Take out a piece of paper and a pencil, pause this and take your pop quiz and come back as soon as you're ready. Pause it. Okay, let's take a look. First one will be a 24 with 5 zeros, 2,400,000, which is my okay. Number 2, we got an 84 here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros, which is, after a slight raise, anyway. Okay, number 3, we're going to have 3 zeros and an 8, so 8,000. 8,000. Number 4, we're going to have 2 zeros and a 7, so 700 for that one. This one is going to be a 36 plus 5 zeros, so 3.6 million, 3,600,000. Number 6 will be 280 plus 42, that is 322. Number 7 is the same problem as number 6. So there's going to be a 3, a 2, and a 2 in it, and it's going to have a 0 at the end. 70% of 6,000, 0.7 times 6,000, or 7 times 600, 4,200. Percent for number 9 is 59.1%, and the decimal for number 10 is 0.36. Okay, let's go ahead and warm up, pause this, and try those 4 mental, much as you possibly can. Give it a roll. Okay. Okay, number 1, convert to a decimal. All right, obviously that's 0.675. A fraction will be over 1. In other words, 675 over 1,000. And that's going to be 27 over 40 reduced. 40% of 12,000, 0.4 times 12,000 is 4 times 1,200, 4,800. 58% of 3,000, and again, I want you to think, when somebody says to you, what's 58% of 3,000? You should be going 58 times 3. That should be your first thing you think of. 58 times 3, multiply. 58, 3,000, 3. So 58 times 3. 50 times 3, 150. 8 times 3, 24, 174. What's reasonable? 1,740. Last one, 70% of what number is 420? Let's do it both ways. 0.7 of what number is 420? Divide by 0.7, and that's going to be 600. The other way is fraction equals fraction. 70%, make it a 7 out of 10. Oops, that's not a 10, that's 100. That's a 10. What number in 420? Well, again, we got to figure it out here. 70%, that's 70% of some number. That part is 420, so we're looking for a bigger number. So the bigger number is on the bottom here. The bigger number goes on the bottom over there. So that's 420. And 7 times x is 7x equals 4,200. And x is going to be, to no one's surprise, 600. So there we go. Okay. All right. Well, let's look at a sale price. This is trick 12. This comes in handy if you get married one of these days and 90% of your salary ends up somehow in the hands of Hobby Lobby extortionists. So anyway, which would be a good heavy metal band name, the Hobby Lobby Extortionists. That's my, don't get that. That's my hobbylobbyextortionist.com. Okay. Anyway. We're going to calculate sale prices. All right, so let's take a look. Here's the tricks how to do it. Much simpler way of doing it than normal. Okay, number 1, subtract the discount percent from 100. So in other words, if it's 20% from 100, 20% off, you're thinking 100 minus 20 is 80. All right, number 2, rewrite that as a decimal. Of course, we know what 80 is as a decimal. 80% is 0.8. Multiply this by kind of a rounded original price. So, rounded a little bit. We're not talking exact. We're getting a pretty close one. Okay. So $40 sweater is marked down 30%. How much is the sale price? So first thing you do is back here, subtract that from 100. So that's going to be 70. Right? That's the percent you are paying. That's what we're trying to figure out. All right. Rewrite that as a decimal. 70%, of course, is 0.7. And you, of course, multiply that by the original price. 40 times 0.7. Of course, we all know now, we don't do this anymore in our heads. 40 times 0.7. You should be thinking that immediately 4 times 7 is 28. And that's a reasonable price. There you go. Now you can use the other trick to find out what tax is going to cost. Okay. All right, try another one. $89.95 pair of shoes is on sale for 20% off. How much is the sale price? Okay, well, let's try it again. What this really means is, let's just say 90, right? 90. It's on sale for 20% off, so what percent are you actually paying? 80%, right? So we have 90 times we're paying 80%. We don't do this anymore. Don't forget, 9 times 8, 72. That's what you're paying, basically. Round it up a little bit. Okay? You have a coupon for 40% off your purchase of $459.82. This is probably a small bill at Hobby Lobby. Anyway. Okay, how much about will you be paying? What I would do is I would take this and go, that's 460 bucks. If you're getting 40% off, you're paying what percent? 60%, right? Okay, and then again, don't do this. Go ahead in your head, train yourself to go, I'm actually thinking 46 times 6, okay? What is 46 times 6? You tell me. What plus what? 40 times 6? 240. 6 times 6? 36. So you're paying $276 for a giant sign that says, bless this messy home, or whatever they have in there. Okay. All right. That is it for today. I want you to try these practice sheet. Really focus on making some kind of an improvement on the sheet we did last week. You get some of these things down. Force yourself to really try to get this stuff down. Do as much mental as you can. Remember your steps as much as possible. Get these answers right, and just focus on accuracy and try to get a little speed in there. So go down to homeschoolpartners.net/math tips and click that link, and then go to the practice sheet for this week. So see you guys next week. Have a good day.